Shortened note on PHA. It has gone to a motive wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a corrective wave ABC. The challenge now is to see where it is going. So we look at the 15-minute chart. We can see the consolidation clear, double pennant. So if we merge two together, we can see a triangle. And if we shift back to the day chart, we can see a probable inverse head and shoulder pattern. So it's just a matter of waiting for the pattern to finish and wait for a breakout. PHA is a speculative game, but currently the subsidiaries, including the 850 hectare property in Palawan, in Puerto Princesa. Then we have the Squid Pay backdoor game, and we have the agri-tech and the e-banking side of the speculative game. Some say it's going to retest the previous low, but the indicators support the breakout of the head and shoulders pattern. Let's see. Bye.